Welcome back to another video on the channel. In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at question 5 from the 2020 Math Methods External Exam, paper 2. Now, you would have noticed with all the videos on the channel, I've started splitting up each question into individual videos. That way, if you only struggle with certain types of questions, you can go watch those. But otherwise, the full exam video is still up on YouTube. It also allows me to go a bit more depth on each question without having like a 2-hour exam video. If you guys need a Methods External Exam Bundle Pack, the link is in the description below, so go check that out. But otherwise, let's get straight into this guy here. So, question 5. An object moves in a straight line with a velocity given by, and we're given an equation here. Okay. The object is at the origin initially. The displacement time graph for the first 6 seconds is given here. Okay, first of all, when we're dealing with motion, we have 3 states. We have position, velocity, acceleration. Well, not states, like things that govern it, okay? To go from position to velocity, you have to differentiate with respect to time. If you want to go from velocity to acceleration, you have to differentiate with respect to time. In order to go backwards, though, you have to do the opposite. You have to integrate with respect to time, okay? So what that means is here, when we get given velocity equation, which is this guy here, the 40 e negative t minus e negative 2t. If I want to work out the displacement, I can just integrate this guy here and then graph it pretty much, okay? Now, you do not have to do it like that either, okay? Because we can also look at this. The object is at the origin initially. So when t equals 0, x is equal to 0. Now we can see all the curves here, they start at that position here, okay? However, what we can also realize is not all of them will have a certain velocity there. So for example, this initial velocity is positive, this initial velocity is negative, this initial velocity is negative, this initial velocity is 0. So what I could do here if I really wanted to is if I chuck in t equals 0, I can work out which one of these graphs is most likely going to be it. Then I'll also pretty much do the other one as well, okay? So if I check in t equals 0, v of 0, I'll get 40 e to the power of, I'll just 0, minus e to the power of 0. E to the power of 0 is 1, so you have 40 times by 1 minus 1, which gives you 0. So straight away, I'm going to think the answer is already going to be c, because I can see its velocity, which is its gradient at the start there, is 0. Now, to prove it as well, you could also integrate this guy here. So you would multiply that out. So you'd have 40 e negative t minus 40 e negative 2t. Okay. So when you integrate that, you would have to pretty much divide by the differential of the inside functions and then just integrate the outside like normal. So that first one will be x equals negative 40 e negative t, because you divided by the negative 1. Then here you're going to have negative 40 divided by negative 2, so positive 20 e negative 2t plus c. And then when I go t is equal to 0, x, sorry, I need some water. X is also equal to 0. So, when you chuck this stuff in, now that I'm not dying anymore, so let's just move this stuff out the way. If I chuck in this information here, I'll get 0 equals negative 40 e to the 0, which is just 1, plus 20, because that would be e to the 0 as well, plus c. So here you get c is equal to, if I add those together, I'll get negative 20. If I move to the other side, I get positive 20. So your curve would be this guy here. And if you were to graph that, that would also give you c as well, okay? Realistically, though, you could check the gradients to get your answer straight away. And I think that would be the quickest way to do it. Don't do it this way. This way is too long. But otherwise, that's how you do question 5. And if you have any questions at all, leave something in the comments. If you want the external exam bundle pack, the link is in the description below. But otherwise, I'll see you guys in the next video.